My name is Adam Luther. I'm a captain with the Victoria Fire Department. I had nagging pain from an injury I suffered as a young man and just always kind of dealt with it. I wasn't able to do a lot of the sports that I like to do. I couldn't golf anymore. I couldn't play softball anymore. I just kind of turned into a couch potato. I've had injections for pain from a pain management specialist. I had prescriptions for pain. They took away some pain, but they simply didn't fix the problem. I heard about Spine Associates from a friend of mine at the fire department. Her daughter had some back issues and Dr. Francis worked wonders. Came highly recommended, so I scheduled an appointment. I'd say I'm more than satisfied with Dr. Francis and Spinal Associates because they have essentially saved my career. I'm able to provide for my family. I get to do the job that I love and I couldn't be happier. I would absolutely recommend Dr. Francis to people that feel like they're at the end of the rope and they don't know where else to turn. That's where I was, and I made an appointment, and literally that afternoon he identified the problem and told me exactly how to fix it and guaranteed that I'd be back to normal in as little as 6 weeks, and he met that promise.